2018 Acura TLX review. Value remains answer to the 2018 Acura TLX's appeal. Acura introduced the TLX in 2015 to change its TSX and TL sedans, seeking to combine the selling point of both of those cars having a single model. Since then, we've found the TLX exhibits an agreeable demeanor. It's not particularly exciting, nevertheless it doesn't have any huge drawbacks either. This year's 2018 TLX is more dynamic. Though it's the identical sedan within the skin, it has become based around the Honda Accord. Acura has fashioned the TLX's styling to take the sedan current with the company's current design themes. Changes elsewhere are relatively modest. Beyond the additional feature content, the TLX's updated touchscreen infotainment system has quicker responses and even more logical operation, plus the retuned transmissions have been proved to improve shift refinement. There's also a new A-Spec trim level that turns into a sport-tuned suspension as well as own special styling elements. Overall, though, the TLX is actually and continues to be. It's a smart choice if you need a lot of value from the luxury sedan, but not really the best if performance is often a priority. What's new? The most evident change to your 2018 Acura TLX may be the sedan's facelifted front. More advanced driver safety aids are actually standard in general, the infotainment interface is revised for quicker responses, and both transmissions happen to be retuned. There's also a new sporty A-Spec trim level this coming year. Though there's a chance you're tempted because of the A-Spec for 2018, this entry-level premium sedan is most compelling rolling around in its lower-priced trim levels. As such, we like the TLX 2.4 litres with technology package. It improves the TLX's value and feels lighter plus more maneuverable as opposed to more powerful V6 version when driving around turns. The 4-cylinder TLX has a more cooperative transmission compared to the V6 model. Stepping up towards the technology package gets you worthwhile amenities and the convenience features. Trim levels and features. Picking a 2018 Acura TLX is not difficult. Acura provides TLX with one of two engines, a 4-cylinder or maybe a V6, as well as a couple of option packages. 4-cylinder models are front-wheel drive only are available as either TLX 2.4 litres or TLX 2.4 litres with technology package. The base V6 model will be the TLX 3.5 litres. You can also obtain the TLX 3.5 litres with technology package, TLX 3.5 litres A-Spec and TLX 3.5 litres with advanced package. All-wheel drive is obtainable for all TLXs with all the V6. The base TLX 2.4 litres comes having a 2.4-litre engine, 206 horsepower, 182 lb-ft plus an 8-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission. Standard feature highlights include LED headlights, 17-inch wheels, keyless entry and ignition, dual-zone automatic climate control, simulated leather upholstery and power-adjustable front seats. For 2018, all TLXs are equipped as standard, which has a suite of driver assistance features collectively labeled Acura Watch. This includes lane departure warning and intervention, forward collision warning and mitigation with automatic braking, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control and automatic high beam control. You'll probably like obtaining the extra convenience popular features of the TLX 2.4 litres with technology package. It adds keyless entry to the rear doors, leather upholstery, automatic wipers, an environment control system that compensates for sun direction, navigation, 10-speaker premium speakers, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. TLX 3.5 litres models are, appropriately enough, powered with a 3.5-litre V6 290 horsepower, 267 lb-ft that's attached to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Beyond what comes with all the base 4-cylinder variant, the 3.5 litres gets 18-inch wheels and much more power adjustments for that front passenger seat. The TLX 3.5 litres with technology package offers exactly the same features because the technology package within the 4-cylinder version plus revised leather upholstery along with a power-extending thigh support for your driver's seat. For folks who want all of the creature comforts, the TLX 3.5 litres with advanced package awaits. It has the many technology package items plus parking sensors, remote engine start, ventilated front seats, heated outboard rear seats, a heated leader, wireless device charging, auto-dimming and power-folding side mirrors, a surround view camera system and also a heated windshield. New for 2018 may be the TLX 3.5 litres A-Spec, containing the top features of the technology package and many of the options that come with the advanced package, as well as a sport-tuned suspension, 19-inch wheels, quicker steering, sport front seats and many cosmetic tweaks. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S on this review depend on our full test in the 2015 Acura TLX 2.4 litres with technology 2.4 litres inline 4, 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, FWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the latest TLX has gotten some revisions, including a cosmetic facelift inside and outside, retuned transmissions, standard driver assistance features along with a revised infotainment interface. Our findings remain broadly applicable to this current year's TLX. Overall performance is modest in the small-engine TLX. Handling is enhanced by 4-wheel steering, though the front-drive TLX lacks the composure and speed of that V6-powered AWDR government. Acceleration. With only 206 horsepower on tap, the 4-cylinder TLX lacks the facility to spin its tires over line. 60 miles per hour arrives in 7.4 seconds, which is about the slow side with the segment. None in the drive modes will hold gears at redline. Braking. Around town, these brakes are perfectly average. Easy to modulate and not grabby. Steering. The steering fact is good for most situations. Weight is appropriately tuned, but feel is lacking. Rear-wheel steering enhances performance in many normal situations, although it can be awkward in long, steady corners. Handling. The TLX's chassis tuning and 4-wheel steering generally enhance handling. However, the TLX's low grip or seasoned tires hurt functionality. Drivability. It's an easy task to drive and all too easy to live with both out partying and around the freeway. Multiple drive modes allow tuning to meet your requirements between economy and sport plus. No obvious drivability problems. Comfort. The TLX comes with an appealing balance of ride and handling regardless of the lack of adjustable suspension dampers that exist on many rivals. It's a comfortable sedan for both commuting and long trips. Seat comfort. The well-padded driver's seat gives enough support for moderate driving but provides ample comfort for multi-hour trips. The rear seat provides generous legroom, but taller passengers will lack headroom. Ride comfort. The TLX is able to absorb road irregularities without getting too floaty or bouncy for the highway. We could be comfortable in charge of ours. Noise and vibration. Active noise cancellation, an acoustic glass windshield and triple door seals work in keeping road and wind noise beyond your TLX's plush cabin. The 4-cylinder sounds good racing to redline. This is never coarse. Interior. Though the TLX's interior isn't groundbreaking, it's well built from quality materials. Infotainment controls aren't as practical or easy as some competitors, but they also offer similar functionality. Space and visibility are TLX strengths. Ease useful. The dual screen layout allows ample information display, for example, maps and audio simultaneously, but single knob control lacks functionality and intuitiveness of several rivals. Getting in, jetting out. Nothing outstanding within this area. Easy entry and exit back and front with sufficient door apertures. The seat height is reasonable in advance and doesn't get noticed as either excessive or too low. Average to the class in this particular regard. Roominess. Ample leg and headroom right in front seats. Rear seat legroom is impressive. Rear headroom, however, is actually a problem for passengers taller than 6 feet. Overall, the TLX will probably be plenty comfortable for 4 average-size adults. Visibility. The TLX's front roof pillars aren't massive or at this kind of acute angle, which they cause forward visibility problems. The rear pillars are bigger and may hide an automobile if it's inside the wrong place, however the optional blind spot warning system helps. Quality. Though it lacks the high-end luxury feel of some competitors, the TLX still gives a package that's well assembled and appealing in and out. All knobs and buttons feel high quality. Utility. Small item storage, as in the majority of Acura products, is great. There are many cubbies of varied sizes within the dash, console and door panels. Trunk size exceeds that surrounding most competitors. It has a 6040 split folding rear seat that folds nearly flat.